Loosely secure the parts with screws first. Align the vertical plate and install screws in the 4 holes. Tighten the 4 screws one by one. Then tighten the screws on both sides. Next, install the 4 corner posts. Install the remaining corner posts the same way. Align each corner post with its 4 mounting holes. Tighten the screws one by one. Tighten all corner post screws. Next, install the 2 roller shafts using a wrench. Align both holes and tighten them again with the wrench. Then align the holes and install the retaining disc. Push the retaining disc to the bottom and tighten the screw. Finally, install the 4 positioning clips. Tighten the screws as shown in the video.